In this video, we're going to look at how to count total number of characters in a range using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a table that ranges from cell B2 through to D10, which has values and blank cells. And what we're going to do here is to return the total number of characters that are captured in this range. The way we do this is through the use of the SUMPRODUCT and the LEN functions. The way that the formula works is it uses the LEN function, which returns the number of characters in a string, and when applied across a range, the LEN function will return as an array. What I mean by that is that if we were to use the LEN function and select range B2 through to D10 and press the F9 key, you will see that the result is displayed as an array, with each number representing the number of characters in each of the cells in the selected range. So the formula then needs to add these numbers, which is done through the use of the SUMPRODUCT function. The reason why we use the SUMPRODUCT function is because it can handle arrays, and this would return the total number of characters in a range. So let's go ahead and enter the entire formula from the beginning. We'll enter the formula into cell F3. So equals SUMPRODUCT, open parentheses, then LEN, open parentheses, and then let's select the range from B2 through to D10, and then insert two closing parentheses, one for the LEN function and the other for the SUMPRODUCT function to complete the formula. And then let's press the enter key. And that's it. The formula is now returning the total number of characters in the selected range. Please note that the formula will not count the number formatting, which in this example are the commas in cells C2 and D4. However, it will include blank spaces. What I mean by that is that if you have a space, it will count this as a character. In our example, none of the empty cells have any spaces. So if we are to insert a space in, say, cell C3, which is currently empty, and then press the enter key, the formula will count this as a character. Also, cell B10 has two words separated by a space. This space is also counted as a character. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.